Cash is FaceTiming JoJo, his cousin Johanna. He loves his cousin. This is how 2-year-olds talk on the phone now. Jojo, what are you doing? That's what he said.
Oh,
There's Jojo.
is that Jojo?
No, Jojo's on your phone.
Jojo on his phone? Jojo on his phone?
No, Jojo's not on my phone.
Jojo his phone. Uh-oh. Oh, there's game. You love phone game. Whoa. Hi. He's coming. Jojo. Oh, Jojo. What? Jojo, I can. Oh, he's left Jojo. Hi, Jojo. Oops. Guys, paw.
Did you hang up? No.
No,
Is she still there?
he's not there.
Ask her.
Hey, Jojo. I got phones.
Yeah. That's Joanna. Yeah, she's like breathing all heavy on the phone. Uh-oh, I think she hung up on you.
Oh.
So sad. Sad day.
Bye-bye.
Should we call her back?
Say, Jojo, why you hang up?
Say, we were having a good conversation. Hey.
That one?
Yeah, call her back.
I want Grandma.
Here, let me dial it for you.
There
you go.
Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay.
Wait, Grandma, we gotta wake